Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the problem. Inspect both Type-C ends and the cable sheath. Look for kinks, exposed wires, or crushed areas. Once you confirm a fault, test with a known good charger and device so you know whether power, data, or both fail. Prepare tools now: a multimeter to map lines, a fine soldering iron for 24 AWG to 30 AWG wires, small heat shrink, and a precision knife. This saves time and prevents guessing during repairs. Once done, cut out the damaged section and strip the outer jacket to reveal foil and braiding. Keep at least 1/2 inch of jacket on each side to work with. Carefully separate the V-Bus red, GND black, CC and SBU control wires, and the super speed twisted pairs. Don't nick conductors. Use a multimeter to verify continuity and label each conductor. This prevents reversing pairs. Make sure to tin wires and pre-tin pads or connector leads before you solder, so joints go quickly and cleanly. You now solder match conductors or use a USB-C breakout board for reliable pin mapping. Align super speed pairs with minimal twist and keep solder joints small. Insulate each conductor with appropriately sized heat shrink, rewrap foil and braid for shielding, then add a rigid strain relief so repeated bending won't fail the repair. Test with a PD-capable charger and transfer a large file to verify high-speed lanes. If something goes wrong, check CC resistor values and signal continuity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.